ബിലവഡ് ബോയ്സ് എന്ന മാക്സിം ഗോർക്കിയുടെ നോവലിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറാണ് ഇവിടെ ഉൾക്കൊള്ളിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. ഹൗ ഈസ് തെരേസാസ് ഫിസിക്കൽ അപ്പിയറൻസ് ഡിസ്ക്രൈബ്ഡ്? ആൻസർ: തെരേസ ഈസ് ടാൾ ആൻഡ് സ്ട്രോങ്. ഷീ ഹാസ് തിക്ക് ബ്ലാക്ക് ഐബ്രോസ്, ഡാർക്ക് ബ്രൗൺ ഹെയർ ആൻഡ് എ ബിഗ് റഫ് ഫേസ്. Her dark eyes shine brightly, showing her strength. The author found Teresa's look and energy quite scary. Question number 2. Why does Mr. Student say he never left his door open? He was afraid of Teresa because of her rough appearance, loud voice and drunken behavior. Question number 3. How does Teresa's appearance and tone change when she asks for help? She looks confused and shy, and her voice becomes soft and beseeching and timid. SLC 10th class English Beloved Boys questions and answers. What made the narrator burst out laughing? The narrator found it funny that a strong, tall woman called herself a sorrowing little dog. E. Why was the narrator astonished at the second letter request? He was surprised because Teresa asked him to write a letter from Boles, not to Boles. F. Why did Mr. Student get angry with Teresa? Answer: he thought Teresa was lying about Boles and was trying to deceive him. G. What did the narrator guess about Boles and Teresa? He guessed that Boles was imaginary and Teresa was writing letters to herself. And H. Why did Teresa ask him to write letters to Boles? Answer: she was extremely lonely and created an imaginary lover to feel loved and comforted. And I. What does Teresa mean by am I then not a human creature like the rest of you? Answer: she means that she also has emotions and a right to love like any other human beings. J. When does the narrator begin to feel empathy for Teresa? Answer: he feel empathy when he realized that Teresa has no one in her life and has invented a companion. K. Why does Teresa cry while listening to the letters? The letters give her emotional relief and make her feel loved even it is imaginary.